Ganesh, Vidya. Ganesh, Vidya ஓடது கொஞ்சம் high up வேணும், up. Vidya, volume up.
Yeah.
Harmonium a little bit up.
Okay.
And இவனோட பையனோடது ஷாமோடது right side little bit up, கொஞ்சம் tune பண்ணணும்.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we try one more.
Yeah, try a little bit, one more time.
One more time.
Okay, good. Sunita ji, do you want to add something to it? Are you able to hear okay?
Yeah, I think perfect.
That's perfect, right? Okay.
Yep.
Is Vanita group in? We want to test it before we start. Is Vanita group in? Vanita ji?
I think Srimati Vanita Suresh is not here yet. I'm one of her students.
Okay, are you going to go first? Niharika?
No, I'm not first.
Oh, okay. Is Ritania Venkat there? Ritania?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, are you the first one for Vanita ji?
Yes.
Okay, can you you won't be starting until at least half an hour, 35 minutes, but I just want to make sure your sound is good.
Yes, my sound is good.
Yeah, can you
Can you
like,
turn on your video, whoever is talking?
Yeah, Ritanya, can you turn on your, yeah, and can you like few lines, can you sing it for me? Okay, good. We can hear you good. And is Bhargav Sampath Kumaran there?
Yes.
Bhargav?
I'm here.
Okay. Can you, oh, Vanita is there. Okay, Vanita.
I'm here, Raghuji.
Yeah, so I'm just checking few of your students so that the sound comes good. I think Ritania just gave few lines. So you want to try a few more? We have 2-3 minutes to go. We can 2-3 minutes. We can try.
Okay, yeah, I can actually, we can try. Yeah.
Yeah.
Arjun, you want to try? Sing the Pankaj Lochana.
Pankaj Lochana, Pankaj Lochana, Pankaj Lochana, Pahi Murad ka Pankaj Lochana,
Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
If I turn on my Shruti, I want to make sure that we heard properly. அருளாளம் திறமெல்லாம் சொல்வதென்ற நாவு ஆயிரம் வேணுமடி. You hear me, Raghuji?
Yes. But I didn't hear the Shruti, but was it low? Can you hear it at least?
I can hear it. I can hear it.
Okay, good. Okay, I think
Vanita ji, your video, can you highlight a little more on your face? I mean, I can't really.
I'll do it horizontal.
Horizontal will be better, Vanita.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is
I
this
think it's
better?
working. No, make it horizontal. This is better.
Yeah, this is
This is better.
Okay, you can see me now?
Yeah. Make sure the video is not shaking when you're presenting, Rod. Not right now. Right now you're okay.
Okay. Do you want it to be positioned on a tripod?
That will be awesome, actually. That would be, stable and it'll be good. You have time, so you can adjust it by then.
Sounds good. I'm doing this on my phone. I just want to make sure that you're not seeing me like in a different orientation or something.
No. This is perfect. I mean, you do it on the phone or on the laptop. Basically, make sure it doesn't shake a lot and your orientation is correct, which is fine right now.
I can try my laptop. I'm having a problem with the video on my laptop. That's why I used my phone.
No, then that's fine. Please use the phone. We don't want any. The other thing I do want to add here to all the schools is if we have any technical difficulties, which sometimes Zoom does have, please make sure you drop and come back again to the same meeting. I hope we don't, but in case we do.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Just give me a second and I should have the tripod for you so we can just text.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks.
And we just published the YouTube link, and if you can send it to your folks so that they can watch it.
Can one of you actually just post it? That will be easy, actually.
Yeah, Raghuji, I sent it in the text with in our group, so you can share it with everybody.
Okay, one second.
Let me know if this is okay.
Not on top. Listen.
That looks good.
Better, Vanita.
I have an idea. Take it up.
I see. I'm just gonna check it.
So I'm going to stop my video until our turn comes. Is that okay?
Yes, please. Only the schools that are presenting will have their videos on. Everybody else, please turn your videos off once we go live we are live once we start our program, basically in 5 minutes. I would request everybody else who's not performing, whose school is not performing, to turn off. That way we know who to spotlight. Thank you. Srividya ji, all your students are with you, right? I mean, is anybody else? I'm going to turn off everyone else's videos.
Yes, I sent the links to all the teachers now, Vanita and Vidya. So if you can share it to your group, that'll be great. The YouTube link.
Shailaja, students, to please share the YouTube link with everybody who needs to watch them, please. Thank you. Namaskaram, everyone. My name is Sunita Visapragada. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. I'm a Balaji Cultural Committee member, and on behalf of Balaji Temple, I would like to welcome you all to Swarasudha, our virtual devotional and classical music program. We have a fantastic lineup of 3 schools today. The first will be Sankirtana Vidyalaya, followed by Arohana Arts Academy, and then Shruti Laya School of Music. Our first school today is Sankirtana Vidyalaya. A little about Sankirtana Vidyalaya is a music school offers South Indian classical vocal music from a beginner to advanced level to children of age 7 and above. Sankirtana Vidyalaya is working a step ahead to impart the essence of Hinduism and Indian culture as part of their curriculum to the students. The school has been actively participating in several performances conducted by the organizations like Sri Balaji Temple Aurora, Chicago Tyagaraya Utsavam, to name a few. The artistic director of Sankirtana Vidyalaya is Srimati Sri Vidya Ganesh. Srimati Sri Vidya Ganesh hails from the traditional music family. She is a granddaughter of Sri Papanasan Sivam. She brings the pedigree of the greatest South Indian classical composer of the 20th century. Sri Vidya started learning at the age of 7 under the guidance of renowned gurus, including Sri Padma Chandilyan, and Srimati Lalita Ganeshan, who have been also guiding several upcoming and performing musicians in the Kacheri field. Qualified as a computer science engineering graduate, Srividya is a director of Sankirtana Vidyalaya Music School, which offers South Indian classical vocal music. She is also trained extensively in Prachina Bhajana Sampradaya music from her father Bhagavata Chudamani, Sri Papanasam Ramani Bhagavatar. Sri Vidya Ganesh is one of the leading Nama Sankirtanam exponents in Chicago. Singing along with her today is Ms. Srinidhi Senapati, Niveda Krishnan, Ramya Nisankula, Bhavya Mahesh, and Srimati Sri Vidya Ganesh is on vocal and harmonium, and on mridangam we have Master Sham Ganesh. They will be performing Jatadhara Shankara Deva Deva in Todi Ragam and Adi Talam, Saptaratna Kriti composed by Sri Uttukudu Venkata Subbayar, followed by Karpagame Kanparai, Sri Papanasan Shivan's composition in Madhyamavati Ragam and Adi Talam. This is Sankirtana Vidyalaya. Enjoy.
या देवी स्तूयते नित्यं विभूतिवेदपराय समये वसतु जिह्वाग्रे ब्रह्मरूप सरस्वती सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Our sincere thanks goes to the Cultural Committee of Sri Venkateswara Swami Temple, Aurora, for starting this music series, Swarasudha. Sankirtana Vidyalaya students and I are very much pleased to be part of this virtual presentation, conveying our very best wishes to other music schools as well. Today we would like to present a Saptaratnakriti Jatadhara Shankara Devadeva. A Saptaratnakriti has a combination of Swaram Sahityam with multiple charanams resembling the Pancharatna Kirtanas. Charanam Sahityam is Palaya Lokam Adhuna Parama Pavana Bhakta Janavana. Composer says, Hey Bhakta Janavana, Hey Shiva, Palaya Lokam, please protect the world Adhuna, at this moment, now. Please protect the world immediately. We offer this Kirtana as a prayer, as a collective prayer for Lokakshemam, welfare of all beings. Namaskar. Haram Tripura Bhanjanam Haram Tripura Bhanjanam Shivam Ananta Kritakam Kadam Akandadayam Akandadayam Mukunda Vidhi Hastagata Maddala Nayadhvati Maddala Nayadhvati Dhivi Dhivi Danaddana Padam Shivam Shivam Karala Sanbruga Shashum Pashupatim Haram Shivam Sanbruga Shishum Pashupatim Haram Sanaka Sanandana Pramukha Vandita Padam Chidambaranatam Hrudi Bhaje Chidambaranatam Hrudi Bhaje Jatadhara Shankara Devadeva Jatadhara Shankara Devadeva Jatadhara Shankara Jatadhara Shankara Devadeva Shashankara Mangala Kara Gangadhara Bhujanga Valaitaram Jatadhara Shankara Devadeva Shashankara Mangala Kara Gangadhara Bhujanga Valaitaram Jatadhara Shankara Devadeva Shashankara Mangala Kara Gangadhara Bhujanga Valaitaram Jatadhara Shankara Devadeva Nadanananda Chidambarananda Nadanananda Chidambarananda Nadanananda Chidambarananda पालय रोगं मधुना परमेश भाषण मधुना कमुलदायक मधुर परिसुत पालय रोगं मधुना Idadari dadari dabadani dabadani dadari sari 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 dadari sari sapala mama sari gamapala oh maduna niramani kamani ramani ramani muka jala jamadu pamuka sarana gata jana pala tamasa nihara pasa jana chandra kamchamuka Madhuna Sadari Kadamapa Kamati Dasasabari Pamada Pani Dasana Hari Sari 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 Namamagari Sari Kamapale Rokam Madhuna Samagana Rasamudita Pamukasana Madasa Virantara Charita Raga Boga Karita Matmuka Virali Kanga Parakale Rokam Madhuna Paranagana Bhaktajana Paranagale Rokam Madhuna Kala Kala Kapala Vidharana Kala Kala Kapala Vidharana Kailasagiri Sagana Kala Kala Kapala Vidharana Kailasagiri Sagana Hridayana Kailasagiri Sagana Hridayana Shashankadara Mangala Kadapanga Bhujanga Varika கற்பகமே கண்பாராய் கற்பகமே கண்பாராய் கற்பகமே கண்பாராய் திருமலை கற்பகமே கடை கண்பாராய் திருமலை கற்பகமே கடை கண்பாராய் திருமலை கற்பகமே கடை கண்பாராய் திருமலை கற்பகமே
Thank you, Srividya. Our next participant is from Srimati Vanitha Suresh School. Vanitha Suresh, Carnatic vocalist and arts educator, is a disciple of Sangeet Samrat Chitravina and Ravi Kiran. She commenced her musical journey at age 9 on Veena under Sri G. Rangarajan and R. Srinivasan, and also has many other teachers such as Sri Rangam Kannan, Srimati Akila Shiva, Sri T.N. Bala, Lalkudi G. Krishnan and Lalkudi Vijayalakshmi, Srimati Sankari Krishnan, and also Acharya Ratnakara, Sri Chitravina Narasimhan. Srimati Vanitha Suresh has presented a number of concerts in all over US, including cities such as New York, Dallas, Chicago, San Jose, and also in India, and especially in Chennai, Bangalore, and many other cities, and also in many sabhas, including Brahmagana Sabha, Krishna Gana Sabha, Karnataka, Shastra Satsang Sabha, and also in December Music Festival, and also Cleveland Aradhana Festival. She regularly sings and sets music for Indian classical dance and presents musical discourses such as Anjaneya Mritam and Andal, to name a few. A master artist with the Wisconsin Arts Board, she is the founder of Arohana Arts Academy, which is affiliated to IFCM, and has not only mentioned a number of artists, not only mentored a number of artists across the US, but also directed a number of large ensemble shows in major festivals. Today, she is bringing all her students from different parts of US. Some of our participants today, Ritanya Venkat, Bhargav Sampath Kumaran, Maya Mahalravi, Sagarika Ramanathan, Shreya Ramesh, Raghav Gopalakrishnan Clarinet, Kavya Nagasai, Arjun Suresh, Nikarika Mohanarangan, Srikar Rapaka, Pooja Krishnan on clarinet, Srihari Gopalan, Abhishek Jerome on guitar. Thank you, Vanitha, for your participation. All yours now. Take it.
Namaskaram. Many thanks to the Balaji Temple Cultural Committee for inviting me and my students to be part of Swarasudha. Our topic today is mesmerizing mishrams. So what is mishram really? Mishra or mishrita in Sanskrit means mixed, blended, or added. And in Carnatic music, mishram means adding 4 plus 3 or 3 plus 4 to give 7. The rhythmic syllables for mishram would be takkita takkadhimi. The number 7 is not only significant in arithmetic and most religions, it has a special significance in music as well. Sapta is the Sanskrit word for 7. The Sapta Swaras are Sari Gama Padani, as you all know. The Sapta Tala, Dhruva, Matya, Rupaka, Jhampa, Triputa, Atta, and Eka. For each of these Tala varieties, there are 5 different jatis that factor into the lagu. Chaturashram or 4, Tishram or 3, Mishram or 7, Khandam or 5, and Sankirnam or 9. And that leads to 35 talas. The talas that are in Mishra Swaruparam or a manifestation of 7 are the Chaturashra Jati Dhruva Talam, Khanda Jati Rupaka Talam, Chaturashra Jati Jampa Tala, Tishra Jati Triputa Tala, Khanda Jati Atta Talam, and Mishra Jati Eka Talam. Then we have the Sapta Angams, where an Angam is the physical expression of rhythm. We have Anudritam, which is 1 beat, Dhritam, which is a beat and a flip. Then we have Dhrita Shekaram, which is Anudritam and Dhritam. Lagu, which is a beat followed by finger counts, by default 4 or Chaturashram. And these are the most commonly used angams. And we also have Guru, which is 8 beats, Plitam, which is 12 beats, and Kakapadam, which is 16 beats. Before we begin our musical presentation, we would like to dedicate this presentation on mesmerizing mishrams to Lord Balaji, who incidentally resides on the Saptagiri, or the 7 hills. He's known as the Lord of the 7 hills. At the simplest Varishay level, the Sarali Varishays can be rendered in Mishragati Adi Tala. Let's take the first Sarali Varishay for instance. It can be rendered in 3 speeds in 1 Navartam of the Mishragati Adi Tala. Sari Karama Patani Sani Dapa Magari Sati Gama Padani Sani Dapa Magari Sari Gama Padani Sani Dapa Magari. There are a number of Geetams that are set to Mishra Chapu or Trishra Triputa. It's very important to note that Mishra Chapu is nothing but just an abbreviation of Trishra Triputa. So Chapu means abbreviation. If the tempo is slow, you typically render it as Trishra Triputa. And if it is a slightly faster tempo, then you render it as Mishra Chapu. I will now invite my students one after the other to render some excerpts of rare and popular Geetams, Kritis and other compositional forms. We'll start with some Geetams. First, we have Ritanya Venkat from Illinois, who will render a pretty rare Geetam in the Ragam Deshakshi.
Shri Venkatachala Devanare Kerala Manadani Suvare Shri Purandara Vithala Raya Shri Venkatachala Devanare Kerala Manadani Suvare.
Thank you, Ritanya. We will now have Bhargav Sampath Kumaran, also from Illinois, who will render a Geetam in the Raga Malahari.
Padumadabha Parama Purusham Paranjyoti Swarupa Vidura Vimala Charita Vihanga Dirohana Udadi Nivasa Uragashayana Unnatoन्मतमहिमा यदोपुनोत्तमयज्ञरक्षकयज्ञशिक्षक रामनाम पदुमनाभा.
Thank you, Bhargav. We will now have Maya Mahal Ravi from Wisconsin. She will render also a rare Geetam in the Ragam Begada.
Saraswati Nanna Nalige Yalli Kuniyali Avala Anugrahadinda Nanna Mukadali Madhurya Shri Lalita Vachanangatu Janisali Avala Shubha Varadinda Valmiki Muni Pendanu Shri Ramana Shubha Charitram.
Thank you, Maya. I would like to invite Shreya Ramesh from Wisconsin and Sagarika Ramanathan to jointly take turns rendering another rare Geetam in the Ragam Neelambari. All of them are set to Mishra Chapu, as the topic is Mishra Chapu.
Janaki Ramanate Namo Namo Dhanuja Shiksha Pato Muni Manasa Jarajitangre Ganama Dwaryalo Paramachandra Dasharate Ragavaniratame Tava Kripa Suruchiram Jagannatha Tavakina Bhajana Manisham Dehi Bol Swamin.
Jaya Shri Guru Murti.
Thank you. I would like to request Sagarika Ramanathan to render the Geetam in Kalyani as well. Could you turn down the volume of your Shruti and then sing?
Kamal Jadala Vimala करिवरद करुणाम्बुदे करुण शरदे कमलाकान्ता केशिनरकासुर विभेदन वरधवेलपुरसुरोत्तम करुण शरदे कमलाकान्ता
Thank you. I will now request Raghav Gopalakrishnan to render a Geetam in the Ragam Saveri on the clarinet. Thank you, Raghav. We will now move on to Varnams. So we talked about how Mishrams matter in the exercise level, in the Varshe level, and also in the Geetam level. Varnams are a beautiful compositional form that can be useful in understanding Raga Lakshana and can be also a great opening piece. Now, to the best of our knowledge, there are no known Varnams in Mishra Chapu themselves, other than one in Ragam Abheri, a composition of my guru, Sangeet Samrat Sri Chitraveena and Ravikiran. Of course, the legendary Sri Ariyakudi Ramanuja Iyengar, who was considered the architect of Carnatic music because he came up with this whole format of a concert format. He is known to have rendered Khandajati Atatala Varnams in Mishragati Adi Talam because they are also a manifestation of 7 or Mishra Swarupam. I will now invite Kavya Nagasai Suravajala from Illinois to sing an excerpt of this beautiful Geetam. I also forgot to mention that Raghav is from North Carolina. On to you, Kavya.
సంతోషముగనన్నేలో కోసమి కృష్ణ ఎంతో ప్రేమతో యున్నాను ఎంతో ప్రేమతో యున్నాను నిద పపకటి సగమ పని ఎంతో ప్రేమతో యున్నాను నిద పమ మగరి సమ గరి సని స గమ పని ఎంతో ప్రేమతో యున్నాను పని సరి సని ద పగమ నిద పమ గరి సని స పని స గమ పని స మగరి సని ద పమ పని సని ద పమ గరి సని స గమ పని స గరి ఎంతో ప్రేమతో యున్నాను సమగరి సని ద పమ గరి స మగ సమగరి సని ద పమ గరి స మగ గమని ద పమ గరి సని స మగరి స గమ ప సని ద ప గమ ప సప మగరి స పరి సని ద ప సప మగరి స పరి సని ద ప సప మగరి స గమ పని స గరి స గమ పని స మగరి స గమ పని ఎంతో ప్రేమతో యున్నాను ఎంతో ప్రేమతో యున్నాను
Thank you, Kavya. So, with Varnams, we just saw a little excerpt from the Raga Abheri Varnam in Mishra Chapu, a composition of Sri Ravikiran. We move on to the compositional forms such as Kritis, Javalis, Padams, Tilanas, and so on. Kritis form the centerpiece of any concert, as all of you know. So we have several composers. We have an ocean of composers actually in Carnatic music. They, of course, have the Trinity, Tyagaraja, Muthuswami Dikshitar, and Shama Shastri. Pre-Trinity composers such as Uttukada Venkata Kavi. Then we also have 21st century composers. I'm not obviously covering all of them because of lack of time. We have 21st century composers like Sri Papnasam Shivan again. And we will pick out a few excerpts from this vast ocean to demonstrate. Let's start with a beautiful composition of Muthuswami Dikshitar in the Ragam Shankarabharana, Akshaya Linga Vibho. This will be rendered by Niharika Mohanarangan from Wisconsin.
Akshara Swarupa Amita Pratapa Akshara Swarupa Amita Pratapa Aruda Vrishava Jagan Moha Aruda Vrishava Jagan Moha Daksha Shikshana Dakshatara Sura Lakshana Vidhi Vilakshana Lakshya Lakshana Bahu Vichakshana Sudha Bhakshana Guru Kataksha Vikshana Akshaya Linga Vibho Swayambho Akhiladako Ti Prabho Pahi Shambho Akshaya Linga Vibho.
Thank you, Niharika. I'm now going to request Shrikar to render Shrikar Rapaka from Illinois as well. He's actually doing his, he's into medicine, and he's in Boston University, right, Shrikar? Right. So he will be rendering a composition of Shama Shastri in the Ragam Kiramani, Brovu Brovu. Shama Shastri has composed several masterpieces in Mishra Chapu, including the Swarajati in Bhairavi, which is also in Mishra Chapu. But he will now render an excerpt of this.
Devi Shri Nayalochani Devi Shri Nayalochani Brova Devi Shri Nayalochani Brova Sundareshuni Rani Sundareshuni Rani Shri Madura Puravasini Nisari Nisari Garini Sa Nisa Sani Rabada Nisa Ji Gama Pada Nisa Rigama Gari Sani Rapama Gari
Brovu Brovu Manine Yendu Vedite Nivu Vina Navinda Paramu Natali Shri Lali Te Brovu Brovu Manine. Yeah. Thank you, Shrikar. We will also render. Tyagaraja has actually composed several in Mishra Chapu. We will just pick one, Sompaina and Ahiri, and we will just demonstrate a little excerpt of that. Sompaina meine sutu impaina bangaru Sompaina meine sutu impaina bangaru Sompaina meine sutu impaina bangaru Gampana to manchi Champaka mulanu chalare Rama Chandruni pai pula chalare Rama. So that was a composition of Tyagaraja. I will now request Pooja Krishnan from Indiana and Srihari Gopalan from Wisconsin to perform an excerpt of Ennapunyam Shedeno and Riti Gaula. Pooja will perform it on the clarinet and Srihari will sing the Sahityam part of it. They will take turns doing this. This is going to be a little hard to coordinate on Zoom, but we're going to try. And Oothakadu Venkatakavi is a pre-Trinity composer, like I said. He is said to have lived between 1700 and 1767.
பண்ணரும் வேதங்கள் படித்து உணர்ந்தாலும் உன்னருள் எல்லா விட்ட ஒன்றுக்கும் உதவது தென்ன தெவிட்டாத தெள்ளமுதே குரு குருதேவ தேவ தேவ உன்னருள் பெறவே நான் என்ன புண்ணியம் செய்தேனோ சத்குருநாத எத்தனை தவம் செய்தேனோ நின்னருள் பெறவே நான் என்ன புண்ணியம் செய்தேனோ
Thank you, Pooja and Srihari. I will now request Arjun Suresh to render an excerpt of a composition in Kalyani of Swati Tirunal.
Chana pankajalo chana pankajalo chana pari muradaka pankajalo chana pari muradaka Jalaya Kevanayata Vibo.
Thank you, Arjun. I will now request Abhishek Jerome from Wisconsin to render an excerpt of a composition of Sri Papanasam Shivan from the 21st century. This is set to Mr. Chapu again in Ragam Kedaragowda. Can you get closer to the microphone, Abhishek, please? Thank you. We cannot hear you, Abhishek. Could you please get closer to the microphone? Yeah. Abhishek, we cannot hear you at all, Abhishek. You have to get closer to the microphone. If you have a laptop or something, pull it up so that the microphone is closer to where you are. Try once more, please. Can you try singing it, Abhishek? Because I can't hear your guitar at all. Try. Can you try, Rama? Can you please help? Can you just move him closer? Yeah, please try it once more, okay? And the amplifier also, please. Thank you, Abhishek. We had some technical difficulties, so we could not hear parts of it in the beginning. But there's a very beautiful composition, Kedaragola. பார்க்கடலதனில் பள்ளி கொண்டவன் பாரில் நந்த கோபாலனாய் பிறந்து. That's how it goes. So we covered mostly kritis. Post main in a concert, there are a number of tukdas or light pieces that are rendered in a typical concert. Niharika will now render a very small excerpt of a composition of Annamaya, which is actually a Ragamalika. On to you, Niharika.
ఇంత మాత్రమున ఎవరు తలచిన అంత మాత్రమే నీవు. ఎంత మాత్రమున ఎవరు తలచిన అంత మాత్రమే నీవు. అంతరాంతరములెంచి చూడ పిండంతే నిప్పటి అన్నట్లు. అంతరాంతరములెంచి చూడ పిండంతే నిప్పటి అన్నట్లు. ఎంత మాత్రమున ఎవరు తలచిన అంత మాత్రమే నీవు.
Thank you, Niharika. I will ask Srihari to render a Javali in the Ragam Kannada, Charumati. Just an excerpt of that, please.
Sarasudu Jodani, Sarasudu Jodani, Abharana Muletike. Sarasudu Jodani, Abharana Muletike. Marache Natave Karuna Shali. Marache Natave Karuna Shali. Charumati Kupa Charamulegitike Charumati Kupa Charamu.
Thank you, Srihari. I think we've pretty much exceeded our time at this point. So I will conclude this session. There are a lot of tilanas also that one can render in Mishra Chapu. A lot of other very nice light tukdas that can be rendered at the end. I would like to again dedicate this presentation to the Lord of the Seven Hills, Lord Balaji, and prayers for the entire world to get rid of the coronavirus and for all of us to resume our lives as peacefully as before. Thank you again to the Cultural Committee of the Balaji Temple for this wonderful opportunity for me and my students. And I would like to thank all my students for being a part of this.
Thank you, Anita, for the wonderful performance. And thanks to all your students who came and participated from all over US, actually. Thank you. Now for our next segment, over to you, Usha.
Yeah, I'll be taking over again. Thank you, Raghu. This is Sunita again. Our next school performing is Shruti Laya School of Music. Shruti Laya School of Music Artistic Director is Shailaja Iyer. Srimati Shailaja Iyer is currently a music teacher in Greater Chicagoland area for the last 15 years. She has a Bachelor of Arts in Music and she's a gold medalist from Bangalore University, India. She's been learning music since her childhood. There have been various teachers who should be credited with her development in music. She studied at Kalakshetra, Chennai, and had the opportunity of singing for the dance groups. Her future plans would be to expand her studies towards music and achieve much more in her career. Little about Shruti Laya School of Music. She's Shailaja Iyer is currently a music teacher in the The school emphasizes students on learning strong basics and trains voices to endure and perform well. Music is an art of wholesome, so working with individuals and building the right attitude towards the art form of classical Carnatic music is the school's motto. Shrutilaya School of Music works with music lovers who are passionate to learn and improve from basics to advanced levels and learners of devotional music. Students of all ages are welcome. It always remains that Shailaja Iyer, with love for music, aspires to learn more and more to give back to the community. Today performing, the students of Shailaja Iyer they'll be starting with Namaramayanam. Namaramayanam is a Ragamalika, an Aditalam, and composed by Lakshmana Acharya. The performers of Namaramayanam are Shailaja Iyer, Lavanya Erukonda, Ramya Radam, Madhuri Tigavarapu, Nandita Yellam Raju, Sridevi Bellala, Aruna Nadella, and myself. I'm also a student of Shailaja Iyer. Shailaja, are you on?
Namaskaram, everybody. Thank you so much, Balaji Cultural Committee, for giving us this opportunity. We are very excited to put up our show on this innovative platform. I would welcome all my students to enjoy and perform. Again, this is in the prayers to the world peace, and we want each one of us to have our lives with little more so-called unrest that we see in the world, to have some answers, and also Bhagavan is there to give us the blessings and then watch all of us and then give us the strength to battle all of this together and win over this. Thank you. And any glitches, pardon us, and we're going to start the show. एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय फालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय फालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि श्री गणेशाय धीमहि श्री गणेशाय धीमहि
शुद्ध ब्रह्म परात्पर राम कालात्मक परमेश्वर राम शुद्ध ब्रह्म परात्पर राम कालात्मक परमेश्वर राम शेषतल्प सुख निद्रित राम ब्रह्माद्यमर प्रार्थित राम चंड किरण कुल मंडन राम श्रीमद्दशरथ नंदन राम कौसल्या सुखवर्धन राम विश्वामित्र प्रियधन राम घोर ताटका घातक राम मारीचादि निपातक राम कौशिक मख संरक्षक राम श्रीमदहल्योद्धारक राम गौतम मुनि संपूजित राम सुर मुनिवर गण संस्तुत राम नाविक धाविक मृदुपद राम मिथिलापुर जन मोहक राम विदेह मानस रंजक राम त्र्यंबक कार्मुक भंजक राम सीतार्पित वर मालिक राम कृत वैवाहिक कौतुक राम भार्गव दर्प विनाशक राम श्रीमदयोध्या तालक राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीताराम। अगणित गुण गण भूषित राम, अवनीतनया कामित राम। अगणित गुण गण भूषित राम, अवनीतनया कामित राम। राका चंद्र समानन राम, पितृवाक्याश्रित कानन राम। प्रिय गुह विनिवेदित पद राम, साक्षालित निज मृदु पद राम। भरद्वाज मुकानंदक राम, चित्रकूटाद्रि निकेतन राम। दशरथ संतत चिंतित राम, कैकेयी तनयार्थित राम। विरचित निज पितृकर्म कराम, भरतार्पित निज पादुक राम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम।
दंडकावन जन पावन राम, दुष्ट विराध विनाशन राम। दंडकावन जन पावन राम, दुष्ट विराध विनाशन राम। शरभंग सुतीक्षार्चित राम, अगस्त्यानुग्रह वर्धित राम। गृत्राधिप संसेवित राम, पंचवटी तट सुस्थित राम। शूर्पणखाति विधायक राम, खरदूषण मुख सूदक राम। सीता प्रिय हरिनानुग राम, मारीचार्दिकृताशुग राम। विनष्ट सीतान्वेषक राम, गृत्राधिप गतिदायक राम। शबरी दत्त फलाशन राम, कबंद बाहुच्छेदन राम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम।
हनुमत सेवित निज पद राम, नत सुग्रीवाभीष्टद राम। हनुमत सेवित निज पद राम, नत सुग्रीवाभीष्टद राम। गर्वित वाली संहारक राम, वानर दूत प्रेषक राम। हितकर लक्ष्मण संयुत राम, राम राम जय राजा राम। राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम। राम राम जय सीता राम।
कपिवर संतत संस्मृत राम, तद्गति विघ्नाध्वंसक राम। कपिवर संतत संस्मृत राम, तद्गति विघ्नाध्वंसक राम। सीता प्राणाधारक राम, दुष्ट दशानन दूषित राम। श्रेष्ठ हनुमद्भूषित राम, सीता वेदित काकावन राम। कृतचूडामणि दर्शन राम, कपिवर वचन श्वासित राम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम।
रावण निधन प्रस्थितरां वानर सैन्य समावृतरां रावण निधन प्रस्थितरां वानर सैन्य समावृतरां शोषित सरदी सार्दितरां विभीषणा भयदायकरां पर्वत सेतु निबंधकरां कुंभकर्ण शिरछेदकरां राक्षस संग विमर्दकरां अहिमहि रावण चारणरां संहृत दशमुख रावणरां विधि भव मुख सुर संस्तुतरां कस्तित दशरथ वीक्षितरां सीता दर्शन मोदितरां अभिषिक्त विभीषण नतरां पुष्पकयानारोहणरां भरद्वाजाभिनिषेवनरां भरत प्राण प्रियकररां साकेतपुरी भूषणरां सकल स्वीय समानतरां रत्नलसत् पीठास्थितरां पटाभिषेकालङ्कृतरां पार्थिवकुलसम्मानितरां विभीषणार्पितरङ्गकरां कीशकुलानुग्रहकररां सकल जीव संरक्षकरां समस्तलोकाधारकरां सकल जीव संरक्षकरां समस्तलोकाधारकरां राम राम जय राजा राम
राम राम जय सीताराम राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीताराम
आगत मुनिगण संस्तुत राम विश्रुत दशकंठोद्भव राम आगत मुनिगण संस्तुत राम विश्रुत दशकंठोद्भव राम सीतालिंगन निर्वृत राम नीति सुरक्षित जनपद राम विपिन त्याजित जनक जराम कारित लवणासुरवधराम स्वर्गत शंभुक संस्तुत राम स्वतनय कुशलवनंदित राम अश्वमेध क्रतुदीक्षित राम कालावेदित सुरपद राम अयोध्यक जन मुक्तिदराम विधि मुख विबुधानंद कराम तेजोमय निज रूपक राम संस्मृति बंध विमोचक राम धर्म स्थापन तत्पर राम भक्ति परायण मुक्तिदराम सर्व चराचर पालक राम सर्वभवामय वारक राम वैकुंठालय संस्थित राम नित्यानंद पद स्थित राम वैकुंठालय संस्थित राम नित्यानंद पद स्थित राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीताराम.
Thank you. Our next song is Narayana Stotram. It's in Revati Ragam and Chaputalam. Performing Narayana Stotram are Shailaja Iyer, Padmaja Gunmuluri, Madhuri Tigavarapu, Aishwarya Nagapudi, Sridevi Bellala, Nandita Yellam Raju, Ramya Roddam, Sheetal Prakash, Lavanya Erakonda, Amrita Priya, and myself. And before we start, can I please request everybody who's singing to turn on, and everyone from Shrutilaya School of Music to turn on their videos, please. Thank you.
Govinda Govinda Narayana Narayana Jaya Govinda Hare Govinda Hare Narayana Narayana Jaya Gopala Hare Gopala Hare Karuna Paravara Varunalaya Gambhir Narayana Ghananirada Samkash Krutakali Kalmashanashan Narayana
नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे यमुना तीर विहार धृत कौस्तुभ मणिहार नारायण पीतांबर परिधान सुर कल्याण निधान नारायण 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 जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे मंजुल गुंजाभूष माया मानुष वेश नारायण राधाधर मधुर शिखा रजनीकर कुल तिलका नारायण
नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे मुरली गान विनोद वेद स्तुत भूपाद नारायण वारिज भूषा भरन राजीव रुक्मिणी रमन नारायण 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 जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे जलरुहदल निभनेत्र जगदारंभक सूत्र नारायण पाटक रजनी संभार करुणालय मामुथर नारायण
नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे हग बग हय कंसारे केशव कृष्ण मुरारे नारायण हाटक निब पीतांबर अभयं कुरु मे मावर नारायण
नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे दशरथ राजकुमार दानव मद संहार नारायण गोवर्धन गिरिरमण गोपी मानस हरण नारायण
नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे सरयू तीर विहार सज्जन ऋषि मंदार नारायण विश्वामित्र मकत्र विविध वरानुचरित्र नारायण
नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे गजवज्रांकुशपाद धरणी सुत सहमोद नारायण जनक सुता प्रतिपाल जय जय संस्तुति लीला नारायण
नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे दशरथ भागधृति भार दंडक वन संचार नारायण मूषिक चानूर संहार मुनि मानस विहार नारायण
नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे वाली विनिग्रह शौर्यावर सुग्रीव हितार्य नारायण मा मुरलीकर धीवर पालय पालय श्रीधर नारायण
नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे चलनिधि भंदन धीर रावण खंड विदार नारायण ताटक मर्दन राम नट गुण विविध सुराम नारायण
नारायण नारायण जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे गौतम पत्नी पूजन करुणा घनावलोकन नारायण संभ्रम सीताहार साकेत पुर विहार नारायण 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 जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे अचलोद्धृत चञ्चत्कर भक्तानुग्रह तत्पर नारायण नैगमगान विनोद रक्षित सुप्रह्लाद नारायण 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 जय गोविंद हरे गोविंद हरे नारायण नारायण जय गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे गोपाल हरे. Thank you. Our next song is Satyanarayana Harati. This is what we will be closing with. Performing Satyanarayana Harati is Shobha Anantaraju, Aruna Nadella, Anuradha Vadlamanati, and Shailaja Iyer. Shobha, can you unmute and start again, please?
శ్రీ సత్యనారాయణుని సేవకురారమ్మ మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మ. శ్రీ సత్యనారాయణుని సేవకురారమ్మ మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మ. నోచిన వారికి నోచిన వరము, చూసిన వారికి చూసిన ఫలము. శ్రీ సత్య నారాయణుని సేవకురారమ్మ మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మ. మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మ. స్వామిని పూజించే చేతులే చేతులట, ఆ మూర్తిని దర్శించే కనులే కన్నులట. స్వామిని పూజించే చేతులే చేతులట, ఆ మూర్తిని దర్శించే కనులే కన్నులట. తన కథ వింటే ఎవ్వరికైనా జన్మ తరించునట. శ్రీ సత్య నారాయణుని సేవకురారమ్మ మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మ.
మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మ. నోచిన వారికి నోచిన వరము, చూసిన వారికి చూసిన ఫలము. శ్రీ సత్య నారాయణుని సేవకురారమ్మ మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మ. మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మ. ఏ వేళైనా ఏ శుభమైనా కొలిచే దైవం ఈ దైవం. ఏ వేళైనా ఏ శుభమైనా కొలిచే దైవం ఈ దైవం. అన్నవరంలో వెలసిన దైవం, ప్రతి ఇంటికి దైవం. శ్రీ సత్య నారాయణుని సేవకురారమ్మ మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మ.
మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మ. నోచిన వారికి నోచిన వరము, చూసిన వారికి చూసిన ఫలము. శ్రీ సత్యనారాయణుని సేవకురారమ్మ మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మ. అర్చన చేద్దామా, మనసు అర్పణ చేద్దామా, స్వామికి మదిలోనే కోవెల కడదామా. అర్చన చేద్దామా మనసు అర్పణ చేద్దామా స్వామికి మదిలోనే కోవెల కడదామా 10 కాలాలు పసుపు కుంకుమలు ఇమ్మని కోరేమా శ్రీ సత్య నారాయణుని సేవకురారమ్మా మనసారా స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులీరమ్మా
మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచే హారతులేరమ్మా నోచిన వారికి నోచిన పరము చూసిన వారికి చూసిన ఫలము శ్రీ సత్య నారాయణుని సేవకురారమ్మా మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులేరమ్మా మంగళమనరమ్మా జయ మంగళమనరమ్మా కరములు జోడించి శ్రీ చందన బలరించి మంగళమనరమ్మా జయ మంగళమనరమ్మా కరములు జోడించి శ్రీ చందన బలరించి మంగళమనరే సుందరమూర్తికి వందనమనరమ్మా శ్రీ సత్య నారాయణుని సేవకురారమ్మా మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులేరమ్మా మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచి హారతులేరమ్మా మనసార స్వామిని కొలిచే హారతులేరమ్మా Thank you so much, Balaji Cultural Team, for us to have given this opportunity. Like I mentioned, it's definitely an innovative platform which we are so blessed, and we are thankful for choosing us. In a short time, we could put up a small show, and any glitches that we could face in the technical way, pardon that. I know it's not in anybody's hands, the internet lags and all that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shailaja. This was wonderful. Over to you, Usha, for vote of thanks.
Yep, great job, everyone. What a welcome breath of fresh air in the midst of all the chaos around us. This was really good. Thanks to all the participants who took the time to prepare and entertain us today. Thanks to the teachers who trained them so well. Thanks to Sunita, who with her Zoom expertise did such a good job with setting up everything and organizing the whole show. Thanks Shamila, Raghu and Usha for all your support. So glad we could do this together. And we hope to continue doing this at least till everything gets back to normal. Expecting many more shows like this. And we have a few announcements today. There will be a stream of Balaji Abhishekam at 11:30 a.m. tomorrow. And we have another announcement. Please stay tuned for info and updates on the 34th anniversary celebrations of Balaji Temple. You can find the information on balaji.org or Facebook page. Please keep checking